How to print a Pinterest board. First of all, go ahead and open up the Pinterest application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Pinterest homepage. Here, you can view images and videos selected based on your activity and interests. This includes pins from accounts and boards you follow. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Saved. Over here, you can view all your saved pins and the boards they are saved to. Go to the Boards section. Open any of your board from here. Then, open a pin from this board. If you want to save this image, tap on the three dots below it as shown. Here, select Download Image. You have now successfully downloaded this image. Now, go back and open up the Photos app. You will find your downloaded image over here. Tap on it to view the image. Then, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the Share icon. Here, scroll down and tap on Print to print this image. Following these steps, you can easily print a Pinterest board.